Hey, welcome to Exploring Nature with Matt and Mark. We are here at the Largo Narrows in Largo, Florida. This is a city park that you can come visit. It's a free park. There's a lot of cool amenities here that you can check out.
So they have a nature center, which has, what kind of stuff inside the nature center?
There are a lot of reptiles here. There are some birds in there. There are some biofact type things as well. And then out in the back, they have some other reptiles, some live tortoises, as well as a lot of rehab birds. So there's a bald eagle here right now. There's several owls, some different types of hawks. Lots of neat stuff to see.
Yeah, and it looks like today that they're doing a little bit of a demonstration thing out in the middle. They've got some different groups that are here. So they have some owls actually out there, which will be kind of cool to get up close to those guys and check them out. So let's just walk around and see what we can maybe get on film today.
Cool.
Sound like fun?
Let's do it.
All right. How many turtles are there? Have you counted them yet?
No.
I think Evie's counting them. Give us an official turtle count, Evie.
Right here, there's 27.
27 turtles.
Look at that one. That one's trying to get on. And you can't. You got. Look at that one. That one's going away. That one's sitting on top of them. Look, that one's a small. That's on there. Long.
Welcome. Turtle Park. Don't mess up my video.
I'm gonna mess it up. Oh wait, no, there's 20. It's 33.
33?
Yeah, there's one more hidden. Wait,
we got a call for her and we rescued her, so once she got assessed we knew she could not be released, and so the Narrows luckily have room.
Yeah.
So she gets to live here.
It's supposed to be temporary, but how do you not fall in love with that?
Yeah.
No, she's beautiful. But they're cataracts that cannot be operated on. Not all can, because of how their eyes are. But with Owl's Nest, we do all rescue, rehab, release of all Florida native wildlife.
Okay.
We're 100% volunteers. We're a non-profit, so all of the money we make goes directly to animal care. And then we had another one, Rogue, came here too.
Yeah.
What was Rogue?
She's the red-tailed hawk.
Yeah, okay.
She's the one on the last display if you walk down the path. She was hit by a car in Dade City and ended up with a joint seizing during the healing process.
So we could, because we're more of an emergency care ICU, so pretty much everything we have we want to release, so we are not open to the public. We will do educational outreach, but since we don't have a big educational area, we don't keep our patients. We try to find transfers if they can't be released. We even in her head,
You don't get a
so,
break.
and we tried to get her to be an otter and while her up so we could release
And you know,
we're like,
as a
okay, we gotta find her home.
doing it. It had nothing to do with the finance. It was just time consuming. She couldn't do anything because it was 24/7.
Yeah.
So it's a lot.
Yeah. Had a little practice with that. had horses and
That's a good one.
yeah, all kinds of yes.
We have
But,
some.
I don't see any.
They're waiting for the food.
Yeah, there's big snapping turtles that hang out right under here. This is where Hefe's from.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That is an old red-eared slider. They get that, they lose their pigment and get like dark like that as they get older.
Blue heron.
Look at that red belly. He's got some pretty.
Oh yeah, he's pretty.
Yeah, one of the cool things about this park is that they have this turtle pond which has hundreds of turtles in it, and it's kind of bad. People release turtles that aren't really indigenous to Florida here, but a lot of them are, and you can actually feed them and stuff like that.
I think there's a snapping turtle there, or is that?
Oh, just spit out a cherry.
But there's probably 7 to 10 species at least of turtle living here at this park. Oh, there's our great blue heron over to the left there. Too.
Yep.
I'm gonna check these out.
Here, blue. He's pretty. Here comes the soft shell there.
Yeah.
What is that? No, never mind. It's a leaf.
Oh, look at them all lined up back there. A lot of them.
There's a snapping turtle. Just poked his head up right there.
There it is again.
Oh yeah, I see his head.
It's a soft shell as well, but the snapping turtle's nose is about to come up, I think. Yep, and he's gone.
Here he comes. You see him?
Oh yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, he's huge.
Now, in most turtles, the females are larger, but in the case of snapping turtles, the males are actually larger. Oh yeah, look at him, he's a big boy.
Oh wow, yeah. Hey Kelly, come here and look how big the head is on this snapping turtle. That's a cool shot. You see him? See his nose sticking up? He is huge. Great blue heron. This might be the closest I think I've ever been to a great blue heron. And this water here is all completely fresh water, right?
Yeah.
Is there like a creek, or what feeds it? Is it just retention water?
Yeah, Donna was telling me last time I was here. There's a lake or something that, or a little canal, something that feeds into it. I believe from across the street, but I don't know.
Okay.
I have to double check. Put down on that.
Oh.
It's cool because he like speared it and then like threw it up in the air. And
Yeah.
Another cool thing about this park is that they have, on several occasions, they have gone through and systematically tried to get rid of all of the invasive plants here. So like air potatoes, Brazilian pepper trees, things like that. I mean, it's a constant battle. They're never going to win it completely, but they keep them in check. So if you're ever here and you see a lot of stuff torn down, that's probably why. I don't know if we go that way to the boardwalk. I feel like we do. Ooh, that looks like a wheel bug.
Oh yeah. Are you sure it's a wheel bug? Or is it a fake bug? Oh, the bees, yeah.
Is this the saw palmetto that's flowering?
Looks like it.
Huh.
Yeah.
That's what those jumping spiders like to eat, are bees.
Well, then they should be on here then.
All right.
Looking for jumping spiders. They like to eat bees.
Yeah, almost. I'd say half the time I found them, they were eating a bee.
So there's no better place to be than right here. I'll be here all day.
You're firing on full cylinders today.
Oh, there's is that a hornet? See him right there?
Oh yeah.
I think that's a hornet, right?
Yeah, hornet. Either that or a clarinet.
Hi, America. Look at him. Hello. Sarge. That's a fitting name.
Sarge used to live in Missouri.
See, America color. know she used to live there.
Yeah, she was at the Tyson, I think.
Yeah, okay.
You wanna have a photo with eagles? Big one.
The red tail.
Not handling phone.
Yeah. It's hot.
These guys are cool too. You can usually tell them you can't see their tails because they have a pretty red tail.
Yeah.
I can feel their spritzer from here. Franklin, the great horned owl.
And then that's the other one that they had out there earlier. That has the cataracts, remember? Right up there.
Why is her head like keep moving?
She's got feathers on
Hi, welcome to the Nature
Hello.
Center.
So which one is Lucy, which one is Ricky?
Give it a thought.
Lucy is the one on the right. She's a real.
Ah, you got it. The redhead is Lucy.
They're so cute.
Yeah.
You come,
And
just
yes,
come
we do
volunteer and
have
you'd work
Fred
with
and
them.
Ethel also.
So appropriate. Oh, how big. Hi, Lucy.
There are 10 of them, but we have 2 off-site programs going today, and then some of them, of course, are out there already. So there are some still inside.
So funny how he has a ship.
This snowflake moriel was at the Science Center when I worked there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, so that was just a quick visit to Largo Narrows. It was a great day, not too super hot. Yeah. What's really great is that most of the areas we were walking were covered, so we didn't have to like stand right in the sun. Yeah, which is really nice.
It also is a good place if you're looking to just spend like an hour or 2 hours. It's a good place to visit for that. You know, some parks you want to invest more time.
Yeah, absolutely. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel as well, and you'll get more of these videos as we get out and explore some nature.
Absolutely.
Thanks. Have a great day.